Good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths session. So children, now which lesson is going on? Operations on fractions. So now I am going to continue this chapter. So children, first can you say which one we studied in this lesson? Yes, addition and subtraction of fraction, types of fraction. Next one is addition and subtractions of mixed number, that we studied, isn't it? So this session I am going to teach that fraction how we go to show on the number line. Okay, so already I have given introduction in last session, already I gave. So once again I will do recap here, afterwards I will move today's topic. Are you ready children? Showing fraction on number line. So children, if you want to show the fraction on the number line, what we have to do? See here, if a fraction has to be shown on a number line, every unit, that line, it must be divided into that small unit. Okay, so afterwards that every unit on the number line must be divided into as many equal parts. So that every unit we have to must be divided into equal parts as the denominator of the fraction. So how many equal parts we have to make? Yes, we have to see that fraction and denominator we have to observe. Suppose denominator 3. If the denominator is 3, that every unit must be divided into 3 equal parts. Suppose the denominator is 5. So every unit must be divided into how many parts children? Yes, very good, 5. Okay. So when we will solve the sum easily it will come to know children. Are you ready? Shall I start? Yes children, see here, show the fractions 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 and 7 upon 3 on the number line. So these 3 fractions we have to show, show on the number line. First step is we have to make a line. Okay, first step is what? Yes, we have to make a line. This is first step. Okay, next step is, next one is this line. Children see here, this line we have to divide into a unit. So this is, we have to write here 0. Next one is 1, 2, 3. So total how many units are here? Yes, 3 units. Okay. So here first number you have to write what? 0. Afterwards 1, 2, 3. So children see here the distance between this every unit. Yes, it is same. Okay, so that line we have to do. Second step is what? First step we have to make a line. Second step, that line we have to divide into that unit. Okay, so children see here, this is first unit, this is second unit, this is third unit. So next step what we have to do, this every unit, this is one unit. Okay, this unit we have to divide into 3 equal parts. Why it is 3 equal parts? Yes, see that fraction is what? The denominator is what? 3. So every unit we have to divide into 3 equal parts. Okay, so children see here, this unit we have to divide into 3 equal parts. This unit also again we have to divide into 3 equal parts. Again this unit also we have to divide into 3 equal parts. So step 3, see here, yes, this is first unit. Okay, this is first unit. Here how many parts I have divided? Yes, 1, 2, 3. And this is next unit. How many parts are here? 1, 2, 3. Understood children? Yes, and how we go to write the number also you have to see. This is first one, already I told here 0. Okay, and the next one is what? This is number 1, already I told. This is number 2, this is number 3. And so children, this first line, this is what will come? 1 upon 3. Why 1 upon 3? Yes, after 0, yes, 1 only will come. And the next one is here denominator. Already I told here 3 equal parts we have divided. That's why denominator 3 only will come. So this is 1 upon 3. This is 2 upon 3. And here what will come? Yes, 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. Understood children? So after 1 what will come? Yes, this is 3 upon 3 here. So here 4 upon 3. So here we have to write what? 4 upon 3. After 4 what number will come? Yes, which number will come? 5. So next unit is what? Yes, next part we got to write 5 upon 3. And next one is what? Yes, 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3. What is the answer, children? True. Understood now? Yes. Next we have to show which fraction? 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 where it will come? Yes. After 6 upon 3, 7 upon 3 will come. So children, see here. This is what? 7 upon 3. Okay. Suppose here I am asking one question to you. 10 upon 3 where you have to write. Where we should write 10 upon 3, children? Yes, see here. This is 7 upon 3, 8 upon 3, 9 upon 3. Here 9 upon 3, what I am writing here? Yes, 3. What I have written? 3. Why? Because 9 upon 3, what is the answer? 3. Okay. So 9 upon 3. Next one is what? 10 upon 3. So 10 upon 3, where it will come? Yes, after 9 upon 3, the 10 upon 3 will come. Understood, children? So first step is what? We have to make a line. Next one is we have to divide that line into a unit. Afterwards, that every unit we must be divided into equal parts. That equal part, how it will come to know? Yes, we have to see that fraction. The denominator we have to see. Suppose denominator 5 is there, we have to divide into 5 equal parts. That every unit must be divided into 5 equal parts. Understood, children? So shall I go to practice set? Yes. Practice set 11. So here two questions are here. First question is, see here, children, what fractions do the points A and B shown on the number lines below? So here 3 lines are there, 3 number lines are there, and that number line two boxes there. Okay, 2 box. In that box, what number will come? What fraction will come? We have to find and write. Understood? So children, see here. This is first one. Yes, this is first one. Children, see here. Here that box is here. Yes. And here see this 0, and here what is written? 0 upon 6. So already you know, already I told here denominator 6 is there. So every unit must be divided, it is 6. Okay, must be divided into 6 equal parts. So children, see here that A and B, what number will come? What fraction will come? We have to write. We have to find. So can you say, children, see here. Here first one is what? Yes, this one is 0 upon 6, and this one is 1 upon 6. This one is 2 upon 6. Here as it is 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6. So A, here what will come? Yes, 5 upon 6. Okay, is it easy? Yes, here what will come? Yes, children, what will come here? 5 upon 6. Okay, so A is what will come here? 5 upon 6. So here below I have given solution also. Each unit is divided into 6 parts. So A is 5th division from 0. So A is equal to 5 upon 6. Understood, children? Yes. So next one is here. So here 6 upon 6. As you know that 6 upon 6 is what? 1. So this one is what? 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6. B1 is what? Yes, 10 upon 6. Understood, children, now? So B, what will come? Yes, B is 10th division from 0. So that therefore B is equal to 10 upon 6. Okay. So children, here what will come? Yes, here 5 upon 6 will come. And here, yes, 10 upon 6 will come. So here, see here, children, once again here. Yes, here, so after B, that is 11 upon 6. And here 2 already it's given. Why here 2? Yes, 12 upon 6. 12 is divided by 6. What is your answer? 2. Understood, children, now? Yes, next one is second question. It is what? Second question is here. Yes, here just you have to see the given fraction here. Yes, 5 upon 5. That means in one place here what is 5 upon 5. So here that here in this box, the denominator what number will come? Yes, denominator which number will come? 5 only will come. Okay, and here that every unit it is divided into 5 equal parts because here denominator 5. Okay, so see here children, yes, here 0, that means 0 upon 5. After 0 what will come? 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, and here E what will come? Very good, 3 upon 5. Okay, so next one is, yes, 4 upon 5, and here 5 upon 5. So here B what will come here? This one is 6 upon 5 and this one is 7 upon 5. Understood children? Is it easy? Yes, very good. Children see here. So each unit, here solution here I have given. Each unit is divided in 5 parts. A is third division from 0. So therefore A is equal to 3 upon 5. And B is equal to what? Yes, 7 upon 5. Okay. See here, B is 7th division from 0. Therefore, B is equal to what? Yes, 7 upon 5. Understood children? Shall I go to next? Third one is. Yes. Third one is, see here there is no fraction here. Here there is no fraction, but we have to, what we have to do then? In which number will come here? Denominator, you have to see, you have to count the unit here. How many parts are? Just you have to observe that unit. This is one unit and this is next unit. Okay, and you have to count the part here. Yes, how many equal parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 parts. One unit is divided into 7 equal parts. So denominator, which number will come children? 7 only will come. Okay, but numerator what will come? Just you have to count here. Yes, this is 0 upon 7, 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7. B is what? Yes, B is what? 3 upon 7. Here A is here. Okay, so B, what is your answer? 3 upon 7. And here 4 upon 7, 5, 6, here 7 upon 7, that is, yes, that is what? 1. Okay, next one is 8 upon 7. Next one is 9 upon 7. A, what will come? Can you say after 9 which number will come? Very good, 10. So 10 upon the denominator, which number will come? 7. Very good. So here children, see here answer. Each unit is divided in 7 parts. So A is 10th division from 0. So A is equal to 10 upon 7. Understood children? And B, what about B? Here what number, what fraction will come here in B place? Yes, can you say 3 upon 7. I hope you understood children. Next one is, see here, B is third division from 0. So therefore B is equal to 3 upon 7. Understood children? Yes, I hope you understood well this number line, how we got to show the fraction on the number line. Yes, so children, practice at 11. First question that is over. Second question, 2 sums are there that we are going to solve now. Are you ready children? So children, this one is second question. Practice at 11. Second question. Okay. Show the following fraction on the number line. So first question already what? Yes, that fill up. Okay, it was fill up. But here second question here, that question they have given, you have to show that fraction on the number line. So your question is, see here. Yes, this is your question here. 3 upon 5, 6 upon 5, 2, 3 upon 5. So children, this is, yes, this is 3 upon 5 proper fraction. This is 6 upon 5 improper fraction. And third one is 2, 3 upon 5. So 2, 3 upon 5, how we have to write? Yes, children, see here. This improper fraction 2, 3 upon 5. This one is what? Mixed number. That mixed number you have to convert into, yes, improper fraction. That means 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5. Okay, just you have to show that fraction on the number line. How we have to show? Children, first we have to make what? Number line. First we have to make a number. Afterwards we have to divide. We have to make a unit. So children, see here, this is a line. Afterwards you have to start from 0. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This is another unit. Third unit. Fourth unit. Okay. And every unit we have to divide into equal parts. How many parts we have to divide? Yes, 5. How many parts we have to divide? 5 equal parts. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this, every unit we have to divide into 5 equal parts. Okay. So first fraction is what? Yes, first fraction is 3 upon 5. So this is 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 where we have to write? Yes, here. Okay, understood. Next fraction is what? 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5. So children, see here. This is 4 upon 5. This is 5 upon 5, that is 1. So after 5 upon 5, what will come? 6 upon 5 will come. Understood now? Yes. Next fraction, which one? 2, 3 upon 5. So you have to see the second unit here. Yes. So this is 2. So next one is after 2. This is 2, 1 upon 5, 2, 2 upon 5, 2, 3 upon 5. Understood, children? Otherwise, you have to see how to this mixed number, you have to convert into improper fraction as I told 13 upon 5. 13 upon 5. Just you have to count here. Yes, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5. So here 10 upon 5. So 11 upon 5, 12 upon 5, 13 upon 5. So here you have to write. Understood, children? Yes. Shall I go to next? So children, first what you have to do? You have to make a line. That line you have to make a unit next. Next one is that every unit you have to divide into equal parts. Okay, that you have to see the denominator, it will come to know. Afterwards from 0 you have to count. So it will come to know that which fraction will come on which place. Understood, children? Shall I go to next? One more sum is there. Shall we solve? Yes. So children, this is second one. Yes, children, see here. This is your question here. 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 2, 1 upon 4. So here that every unit, first of all, first what you have to do, first step is, yes, we have to make a line. Next one is, we have to make a unit. So this is unit. Okay. So here 4 unit we made. Next one is, yes, that every unit we have to divide into equal parts. How many equal parts we have to make? Yes, 4. Because your denominator, that is 4. So that every unit we have to divide into 4 equal parts. Okay. And afterwards what you have to do? Yes, 3 upon 4 we have to show on that number line. So first what you have to write here? 0. What I have written? 0. So this one is 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 and here 3 upon 4. Okay. So 3 upon 4. Then 5 upon 4 where it will come? Yes, after 3 upon 4, here what? Yes, 4 upon 4. That's why here I have written 1. Okay. So after 1, we have to write what? 5 upon 4. Okay. So third fraction you have to see here, children. Third number you have to see. Yes, this is mixed number. 2, 1 upon 4. So 2, 1 upon 4 you have to convert into improper fraction. Then what will come? Yes, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 upon 4. So you have to see here 9 upon 4 where it will come. Okay. So from 0 you have to count. So 9 from 0, that 9th division, that is 9 upon 4. Okay. So 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here 9. That means 9. That means 9 upon 4 or 2 1 upon 4. Otherwise, see here after that unit 2. After that unit 2, you have to see. Yes. So after the unit 2, this one is 2 1 upon 4. This one is 2 2 upon 4. This one is 2 3 upon 4. But we want 2 1 upon 4 here. Okay. So that's why here I have written 2 1 upon 4. So children, see here today what we studied. Yes, that fraction we have to show on that number line. So first of all we have to make a line. Afterwards we have to make a unit. Afterwards we have to see the denominator, that much part we have to divide in that unit. That every unit it must be divided into that much equal part. Okay, afterwards you have to count the number from 0. So easily it will come to know that fraction, it will come on which place on that number line it will come to know. So children, I hope you understood today's topic. Yes, children, thank you. Sai Ram.